Hi, so if you're subscribed to this channel, you probably already know who I am. If you're not subscribed, my name is Jason, and this channel I started back in 2013. I actually had to go back and research when I had started this channel. It was in September of 2013. And back then, the original focus of this channel was supposed to be woodworking, because that's always been an interest of mine, and I definitely saw others that were doing woodworking on YouTube, and it was something I dove into because I was interested in doing it as well. And over time, I would do projects, and then I would kind of get away from it and come back, and I wasn't as consistent with the channel as I wanted to be. So I've decided to rebrand the channel, and I'm calling Design, Build, Execute. And the whole purpose behind that is to give myself a broader paintbrush, if you will. I want to be able to do things like electronics and soldering and 3D printing and all kinds of mechanical building and maybe even some welding. And there's still going to be woodworking content on the channel. So I hope that my current subscribers will stick with me to see all the things that I'm going to do in addition to the woodworking. And like I said, some woodworking projects are going to pop up on this channel. If you're interested in supporting my channel, I do have shirts available. There's going to be a link in the section below to get a shirt, and the price is going to be $15 and no shipping fee. It's free shipping, so just 15 bucks and you get a shirt, and you help support the channel, and I would really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Please hang in there with me, and I think you're gonna like the content that I am preparing and working on for the channel. I think it's going to be exciting. I'm looking forward to broadening this channel out into all kinds of new things that I definitely am passionate about and enjoy doing, and things that I would like to inspire other people to want to do as well. And come along for the ride.